Welcome back to the ClassFlo tutorial series. In this video, we'll be discussing the scheduling helper. Alright, let's talk about one of the coolest features, the scheduling helper. This is your in-app assistant that analyzes your schedule and makes smart recommendations. On the right side of the app, see that Activate Helper button? Go ahead and click it. A sidebar slides open with the title Scheduling Helper at the top. You've got two tabs here, Suggestions and Autofill. There's also a Help button that opens a detailed guide if you need it, and a Close button to hide the sidebar. Let's start with Suggestions. The Suggestions tab analyzes your current schedule and looks at all of your unscheduled classes. It asks, where would these classes fit best? At the top, you'll see a Suggestions count and a Refresh button. Suggestions update automatically when your schedule changes, but you can manually refresh them anytime by clicking that. Each suggestion card shows you a bunch of useful info. At the top is the class name and a score with a sparkle icon. The higher the score, the better the placement. Below that, you'll see the details, style, duration, teacher, or no teacher if one's not assigned yet, and which room it's recommending. There are badges showing the date and time range in your preferred format. And there's a quality badge, excellent, good, or acceptable, based on how well this placement fits. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see highlights and warnings. Highlights are things like, great time slot for this age group, or teacher available with no conflicts. Warnings might say, back-to-back with another class, or late time for young students. Want to know more about why ClassFlo is suggesting this specific placement? Click that plus button on the card. It expands to show you the full reasoning, a summary, and then a detailed list of factors. Each factor is labeled as a bonus, good thing, penalty, concern, or neutral. This is really helpful when you're learning how the app thinks or when you want to understand a specific recommendation. When you find a suggestion you like, just click Place Here. The class gets scheduled at that exact time and room. The suggestion disappears from the list, and the suggestions automatically refresh to show you new options. This is perfect when you're manually building a schedule and you get stuck on where to put something. While suggestions work in both dates and template mode, suggestions are only for the specific day the calendar view is on. So if you're viewing Monday, October 14th, it's suggesting placements for that day only. Up to top 10 scoring suggestions show at a time. As you place classes, new suggestions will appear. Suggestions are great for quick placements. For bulk scheduling, use autofill. We'll discuss that in the next video.